So this is my first video, guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is Sports King 2019, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll also say that at the end of the video too. So we did a rebuild. Well, I rebuilt the New Orleans Pelicans team. And this is what we're looking like. Oladipo, Randall, Holiday, Bogdanovich, McGee, Beverly, Christian Wood, Reggie Bullock, Ronnie Magruder, and that's kind of it. So we're going to hop into some gameplay. And I'm going to turn it on to 10 minutes. And let's go hop into some gameplay. So if you again like the video, subscribe. I will really enjoy it. And me getting a lot of subs makes me really happy. So, we're gonna hop into some gameplay. Let me do something right quick, so I don't have to see this. We're gonna go against the Rockets in Toyota Center. So let's go try and win this one against Houston. So we got the tip. So we're going to start the season off good with a green. That's what I like. That was Drew Holiday. So they're going to make that one with Capella. JaVale to sign. And just saying, I'm going to talk a lot in these videos. And if y'all don't like it, just don't dislike it. And just get off the video if you don't like me talking a lot about sports, and it might be some cool things. But like the Anthony Davis trade last night, I think. Well, we already knew it was going to happen. But I think like 2 weeks ago, but last Saturday, and so I don't like the trade. Well, I kind of do because we get Brandon Ingram and Lonzo. Oh my God. And I think we're going to have like a playoff team because now we got Zion. I wish they didn't take RJ, and I wish the Pelicans got RJ Barrett. You might think this is weird that I'm talking about like the NBA draft that was only last night. Or for y'all, whenever y'all watch this video, it could have been a while back. And just saying, I like shooting threes with big men. And it makes me think more about them. And that's good for me. PJ Tucker got that 3-second violation. Now it's my ball. And right now, Holiday is 6. He made first team All-NBA in defense. I'm sorry. First team All-NBA defensive team. I'm sorry, not All-NBA. Just defensive team. First one. I had to shoot that when I was wide open. Victor. If y'all are liking the video so far, again, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. And it would help me out a lot. Well, not help me out, but it would just make me. I'm sorry about that. I'll just edit that out of the video. Sorry about that. Oh my God. So we're 11-4. And I'm sorry, I'm just trying to adjust the camera so y'all can see like the time and everything. I'm sorry if y'all did. And I don't know how that felt. So I'm gonna play this first quarter. Then I'm gonna sim the rest of the game. And then I'm gonna sim the rest of the season, see if we can make the playoffs. And see if we can make like at least the second round, maybe in the third round. This is looking like a third round team. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry my camera is bad. And so I'm about to, once it gets to the 6-minute mark, I'm gonna start simming it. So it's probably my next possession will probably be that one. The thing I don't get is that JaVale McGee's a D- from deep. He should be like an F- if there was one. So I'm just wasting out this clock. Okay, we're gonna sim it right here. We're gonna sim to the end. And let's see if we did win. Okay, it looks like we possibly could have won. Maybe. We only let James get 21. Okay. So we did win by a point. I don't know how the score was like that. So now we are 1-0 on the season. And so let me go down here and simulate through. So it's kind of looking like Drew was kind of like our main guy. Because that's only our first win since we've only had 2 wins since Drew's been hurt. And we had 3. So we need Drew back. Drew's back. I think we're going to start winning more games. Oh my God. So now Drew's hurt again for like 2 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah, I think Drew's going to be back right here or right here. Drew should be back. It was only 1 to 2 weeks, right? Okay. Okay, we just blew the mess out of the Lakers. I'm sorry if it's going to be a little slow. And I'm sorry about the camera stuff. Give me a little slack because this is my first video. Okay? So, Oladipo's hurt right now. Now he's back. So can we beat the Warriors maybe? No. So now we're 24 and 22. It's an okay record. I think we can do better. Now we just got crushed by 36, right? Yeah, 36. We're now 25 and 25. We lose again. We lose again. So I think we might not be able to go to the playoffs. Drew should be back now. It was only day to day. Okay. Let me go see. So if y'all can't see it, it says 35 and 29 is my record. Now 36 and 29. So if y'all didn't know, we're doing a rebuild. And it's March 20th in the game. And we're 41-33. That's a playoff record. Actually. Well, if we can get at least 5 more wins, only 5, we're a playoff team. Only have like 2 more weeks, maybe 3. All I know is that we have like not that many more games. Yeah, 2 more games. Sacramento we win, and we beat Golden State. And Curry was MVP. Trae Young, Rookie of the Year. Sabonis was 6. Defensive, Giannis always. Oh, most improved was Julius. He put up 20 points. 10 boards, 4 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. The boy shot 30% from 3. He shot 69% at the line, 56% from the field. Coach of the year with the D'Antoni. So we are in the playoffs with a 6 seed. So let's go see how everyone did. So Julius did end up putting the most points for us, 20. And then Oladipo put up 20. Holiday put up 14. McGee put up 14. Bogdanovich put up 12. Beverly's still hurt. So we're not looking so good. And the Pels do fight back. They keep on fighting. I like this. We're down 3-1, and we keep on fighting. And look at that. We win 3 straight games in a row. So, I think it's going to be Golden State and Toronto in the finals. So, we win the first game out of Golden State. We won 2 games out of Golden State. We won 3 games out of Golden State. We were about to destroy Golden State 5-5. Okay. I thought it wasn't going to be like this. Oh my God. And the Warriors come back and win. Wow. So, we were down 3-1 against Minnesota. And we won. Golden State was down 3-1 against us. I don't know how we got up 3-1. And we lost. So everything went to game 7 in the second round. Okay. We're going to simulate the round. And it looks like it'll be Golden State in Toronto. And it will. Golden State in Toronto. I think Toronto's going to win in 6. Let's simulate the round. What did I say? I didn't say Toronto win in 7, but they did win. So if y'all like this rebuild, give us a thumbs up and a like down below. Thank y'all for watching.